The world is becoming stranger and stranger. Natural disasters, wars, pandemics. We'll never know when the next crisis will strike. And what determines if you survive or not is how well prepared you are. That's why today we're going to prepare you for the next global crisis. We're going to show you how to properly preserve your food for up to 5 years. To get started, we'll need 2 bottles and we're going to thoroughly sanitize them. The initial step involves removing all of the labels. Following that, we'll thoroughly wash it with soap and water to effectively eliminate all of the germs and bacteria, both on the exterior and the interior surfaces. If it's necessary, repeat this entire process multiple times until our bottles are thoroughly and completely clean. Subsequently, we will then proceed to use alcohol to fully complete the entire sanitization process. We put a small amount into every bottle and shake it thoroughly. This process is fundamental, so your food doesn't spoil and remains preserved for a longer time. Then, we'll let our bottles dry thoroughly inside. Once they are completely dry, we'll take 8 cloves of garlic, 4 for each bottle. First, we'll take 1 clove of garlic and place it into one of the bottles. With the aid of a funnel, we will carefully pour our beans into the first bottle. We'll measure it out to about 4 fingers. Next, we will take another clove of garlic and place it inside. We'll continue pouring beans until we fill another 4 fingers. We'll continue with this procedure until the bottle is completely filled. Then, we will repeat this exact same process with the rice, by first placing the garlic clove inside, and then carefully pouring a 4-finger measure of rice until the bottle is completely full. After completing the process, we gently tap the bottles against the table surface, allowing the contents to settle down to the very bottom. As we continue this tapping motion, more empty space will gradually open up inside the bottle, enabling us to keep adding more rice or beans. We simply repeat this entire process until the bottle is completely full and absolutely no more can fit inside. Now, we'll take a piece of aluminum foil, approximately this size. Then, we'll divide it in half and form it into a small ball. We'll then place this inside our bottle. We'll repeat the exact same procedure with the other bottle. Now, we'll take a piece of cotton and divide it into 2 separate pieces. Then, we take the cotton and submerge it completely in the alcohol, exactly as you are observing. Now, we carefully place the cotton inside the bottle. We then repeat the same procedure with the other bottle. After that, we proceed to light both pieces of cotton. We take the lids and then we seal them up tightly. This process is fundamental to effectively remove all of the air from each bottle, preserving the food for a much longer period. We will take a lit candle and then seal the opening that the bottles have in their cap. After that, we'll apply electrical tape to fully complete our sealing. Finally, we're going to take 4 separate pieces of tape, and then we'll carefully attach them to our bottles. Here, we'll write the date of storage and the new expiration date, which will be in 5 years. This advice is not only useful in times of disaster, but also for people living in dangerous areas, like floods, tsunamis, and hurricanes.